In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and restore hidden chats on your Facebook Messenger app. So if you had a chat on your Facebook Messenger app and you can't see it, it means that it has been hidden or it has been archived. So to retrieve it, we need to go back and find the archive folder, and then we should be able to find the chat from there. For instance, I'm looking for a chat here, but I can't see it. It means it is hidden from my normal chats. To find it, head over to menu here once you open your chats, and then from this, go to archive. And this will show all the messages or chats that have been archived or that have been hidden from the inbox. To restore it, it is simple. Just go ahead and long press on the message and then tap on an archive. As you can see, it is here. If I tap on it, now it has been moved from archive and now it should be available on my chats on Facebook Messenger. So let's go back to Facebook Messenger and see if that chat is available. To do so, you can go back or simply just tap on these chats here. And now you can see under our chats, this conversation is available. So I can now open it and I'll find all my chats just intact. So that's how you recover or restore all the hidden chats on your Facebook Messenger app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.